Welcome to Mobile's Techland. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the levels adjustment layer. So this is a photo. I downloaded it from Unsplash. We will quickly head over to image, then adjustment, and we will see different options. We will choose levels, or on our keyboard we can simply click Ctrl+L. A little box will pop up. You can see a diagram in the middle. The left side is blacks. If you increase the blacks, the photo will get darker. The right side of the diagram is white. If you decrease the whites, the photo will get lighter. And the middle one is gray. You can increase or decrease to change the midtone of the photo. So basically, our black is our shadows, our white is highlight, and gray is midpoint. The output levels is basically lightness and darkness in your photo. You can increase or decrease as you wish. On top, you have channel. You have different options called red, green and blue. If we choose red, then we can change the value of our red. We can change red in our blacks, red in our gray, red in our white, and we can do the same thing with our output levels. On top, we have preset. You can choose Photoshop's in-house presets. You can choose increase contrast 1. You can also choose increase contrast 2. Then light and shadows. This preset drastically changes a darker photo. Then you have other presets such as lighter, midtones brighter, midtones darker. We will create a custom look. So we will put our diagram to RGB, and on the blacks we will increase it. We will also decrease the white to create a glow. We want to put the midtones a bit darker. Just gonna put the photo a bit darker. The original photo has a bit of greenish warm, but I want more blue. I want the midtones to be more blue. I also want a bit of blue in the highlights, but it is too much and I have to balance it out, so I'll put some red. And finally, I have to touch green to make the overall photo more natural. So this is the photo before and after. It was a very simple tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it helps.